This isn't just a classic convertible, it's a $130,000 American muscle legend that changed automotive history forever. Imagine stepping back into 1965 when horsepower ruled the streets, chrome sparkled under the summer sun, and every stoplight felt like the starting line of a race. Today we're looking at one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the breathtaking 1965 Pontiac GTO Convertible. Finished in stunning Montero Red with a gorgeous white vinyl convertible top, this isn't simply another classic car. It's an American icon, a collector's dream, and a machine that continues to capture hearts more than 6 decades later. The first thing that grabs your attention is the paint. Montero Red gives this GTO an unmistakable presence. Every curve, every chrome trim piece, and every body line reflects the bold styling that made Pontiac a dominant force during the golden era of muscle cars. Paired with the crisp white vinyl convertible top and matching vinyl rear window, the color combination creates a timeless elegance that's impossible to ignore. Whether parked at a prestigious car show or cruising along the coastline, this GTO commands attention from every angle. But the real magic begins under the hood. Powering this legendary convertible is Pontiac's famous 389 cubic inch engine. This wasn't just any V8, it helped establish the GTO as the original muscle car. Sitting proudly on top of the engine is the legendary tri-power induction system, featuring 3 two-barrel carburetors. It's a setup that enthusiasts still admire today for its incredible performance and unmistakable appearance. Complementing the engine are brilliant chrome valve covers that add just the right amount of visual excitement whenever the hood is lifted. Backing this powerhouse is the highly desirable Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. This gearbox transforms every drive into a true performance experience, giving the driver complete control over the GTO's impressive power. Slide the Hurst shifter into first gear, release the clutch, and you'll immediately understand why this combination has become legendary among muscle car enthusiasts. Power is delivered to a durable 10-bolt rear end equipped with a 355-to-1 open differential. That gearing provides a perfect balance between rapid acceleration and comfortable highway cruising, making this convertible equally enjoyable on scenic roads and weekend drives. Driving a classic muscle car should always be exciting, but it should also inspire confidence. Thankfully, this GTO comes equipped with power steering, making low-speed maneuvering remarkably easy while maintaining the authentic road feel enthusiasts appreciate. Power drum brakes provide dependable stopping performance, staying true to the factory character of this beautifully restored machine. The suspension remains faithful to Pontiac's original engineering with its stock front suspension setup, preserving the smooth ride quality and balanced handling that made the GTO such a success in the mid-1960s. Every drive feels authentic, transporting you straight back to America's golden age of performance. Completing the exterior are gorgeous Pontiac Rally I wheels wrapped in authentic Firestone 14-inch Redline tires. Those iconic Redline sidewalls instantly tell knowledgeable enthusiasts that this is something special. They're the perfect finishing touch, adding period-correct style while enhancing the car's already commanding presence. Open the driver's door and the luxury continues. The red vinyl interior perfectly complements the Montero Red exterior, creating a bold yet sophisticated cabin. Comfortable front bucket seats provide both support and classic styling, making every journey enjoyable, whether you're heading to a local cruise night or a national collector event. Directly in front of the driver sits a beautiful 3-spoke wood steering wheel, combining elegance with sportiness. Behind it, the factory tachometer featuring an engine speed warning reminds you that this GTO was built for spirited driving. Every gauge, every switch, and every detail captures the essence of mid-1960s American craftsmanship. The classic Delco radio remains in place, preserving the authentic factory appearance. While modern entertainment systems come and go, there's something magical about hearing the rumble of the tri-power V8 instead of streaming music. In this GTO, the engine provides the soundtrack. One look underneath reveals the care invested in this exceptional restoration. The underside has been finished in clean black paint, giving the chassis a fresh, well-maintained appearance. A dual exhaust system not only improves performance, but also delivers the deep, unmistakable Pontiac V8 rumble that enthusiasts love. Attention to detail continues with new hardware throughout the undercarriage, while a new gas tank adds both reliability and peace of mind for future adventures. These thoughtful upgrades ensure this classic isn't just beautiful to admire, it was restored to be driven and enjoyed. At an asking price of $130,000, this 1965 Pontiac GTO Convertible represents far more than a collector car. It represents automotive history. It symbolizes the birth of the muscle car movement and showcases everything enthusiasts admire about classic American engineering. Bold styling, massive V8 power, engaging manual transmission, and timeless craftsmanship. Finding a GTO convertible with this combination of Montero Red paint, white convertible top, matching red interior, legendary 389 tri-power engine, and Muncie 4-speed manual transmission is exceptionally rare. It's exactly the kind of vehicle that turns heads at prestigious concours events while remaining thrilling enough to enjoy on the open road. Adding even more convenience, financing options are available through Vanguard Motor Sales, making it easier for qualified buyers to own a true piece of American automotive history. More than 60 years after it first rolled off the assembly line, the 1965 Pontiac GTO Convertible continues to define what a muscle car should be. It's powerful without being excessive, elegant without sacrificing aggression, and rare enough to remain one of the most sought-after classics in the collector market. This isn't simply a vintage convertible. It's a legend on wheels, a machine that forever changed performance cars and continues to inspire generations of enthusiasts around the world. If you enjoyed this incredible 1965 Pontiac GTO Convertible, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing classic and collector cars, and tell us in the comments, would you drive this legendary tri-power GTO every weekend, or would you preserve it as a priceless collector's masterpiece?